Hey, this is Peony Prashanti. Oh my God, I don't look very good today. But you know why? Because I've been up all night. Um, so guess what? There's no masks available in the stores, and that's too bad. I had to send a box of masks to my family in Japan because in Japan they don't use the kind of paper masks that we use here. They use these cloth masks like this. Okay? And so I ended up making a bunch of these a long time ago when this happened before, when we all ran out of masks. And so I still have like a bunch of these left. And these are made out of elastic, and they're made just right for my face. So if you have a bigger face, make them wider like that. And I watch a lot of historical movies, and I noticed that they use these also a long time ago. So what you can do is if you don't have elastic, you can just get like some kind of string, make your own mask with shoelace. I mean, anything will work as long as you are able to tie them like this, blah blah blah. And if you don't like the white ones, well, get like really nice cotton fabric and use cotton. I have mugwort stuffed in here only because I love the smell of mugwort. And I'll stitch this up, and I'll put elastic through this, and yeah, I'd be sniffing mugwort all day, chilling me out. And then look, it's reversible. So get creative, make your own mask. This is made from diaper fabric that I got a super long time ago. Any kind of soft cotton would do. You don't need to like freak out because there's no mask. And by the way, the mask isn't going to keep you disease free because it's not airborne, right? This just keeps you from touching your face. Keep your hands away from your face. And what you might want to do if you're really paranoid is make this bigger here, and then just make this one long piece, and you can tie it in the back, like a bandana. You can just even use a bandana. So that's what I've been doing. I've been making masks, and I'm going to be sending this to my family relatives in Japan because they don't have any. How sad is that? Thanks for watching, and share your creation with everybody. Bye.